Good morning, Rachel. My name is Baby John, and I'm the Cannoli King. I'm going to teach you how to make a real cannoli. Once we make our dough and we flatten it out, we get the old-fashioned cannoli cutter. We cut our dough into a cannoli shell. We spread it out. We wrap it around a cannoli stick. Once we wrap it, we deep fry it. This is a cannoli shell. It's a finished product. Now we go to my other machine over here on the right. It's my Baby John machine here. I put my impastella in here, which is a sweet ricotta cheese. I put vanilla like everybody else. I put my sugar like everybody else. I put my chocolate chips like everybody else. But I put my little secret ingredient that nobody knows that makes me special. And I mix the cannoli cream. I usually mix my cannoli cream about 15-20 minutes, longer time. The longer I whip it, the more creamier it comes. I scoop it out and I pump it into my cannoli bag. I pick up one of my shells. I stick the nozzle inside the cannoli shell. I squeeze and I pull out. Squeeze and I pull out. And this is my finished product. This cannoli recipe is mine for 45 years. It's a special recipe, and that's why I'm famous. So when you're in the neighborhood, stop by Rachael and say hello to the Cannoli King.